All right, so look, Apple just came out with a new pair of AirPods called the AirPods 3rd generation. They're better than the 2nd generation in basically every way, from the sound to the design to how they fit in your ear. I mean, basically everything is better than the 2nd gen. But does that mean you should upgrade? I'm gonna let y'all know that right now. But first, I appreciate y'all coming back to this channel, watching this video right now. I would really appreciate it if y'all leave a like, subscribe, and also ring the bell. That way y'all get notified of all the videos I upload. I'm gonna be doing 2 videos per month now, so make sure y'all go and check those out. Make sure y'all leave feedback, what y'all wanna see, any improvements, everything. I wanna hear it all. All right, so back to what this video is about, the AirPods 3. Here's the 2nd gen right here. All right, so the price. So you can get the 2s for $129, you can get the 3s for $179, or you can get the Pros for $249. But we ain't gonna talk about the Pros, so I ain't never experienced them. We just gonna keep it to these 2. All right, so right off the rip, the case for the 3rd generation is a little bit wider, but at the same time, they're a little bit shorter. Once you open them up, you will see that the AirPods, the stem piece, is a little bit shorter than the 2nd gen. And then also the little headphone piece that actually go in your ear is a little bit more narrow, but at the same time, just a tad bit longer. And what this allows is the AirPods to sit in your ear a little bit deeper and also sit a little bit better to keep them from falling out. So y'all might be thinking, how can a headphone that small actually have a pretty good sound? And it's true. The bass is much stronger than the 2nd generation, and it's an overall more fulfilling sound compared to the more kind of tinny sounding 2nd gen. It was never, they never really felt like punchy, and I feel like the 3rd gen is offering that. The 3rd gen also offers spatial audio. Spatial audio is basically like a surround sound effect. If y'all do decide to pick these up, I definitely recommend y'all to watch a movie with spatial audio on, and y'all would get the experience of what spatial audio actually is. I mean, some stuff would sound like it's coming from right here, some stuff would sound like it's coming from right here. It sounds like a surround sound basically in your headphones. It's pretty cool. I thought it was gonna be kind of a gimmick, but it's pretty nice. I won't have it on all the time, but for watching a movie or watching like some type of TV or video, it's pretty cool. For music, it's kind of a hit or miss. It's a cool effect, but it's not something I'll have on all the time. The volume of the headphone actually comes down a little bit, so they don't sound as punchy, but the whole effect from the surround is pretty cool. The AirPods 3 also offers adaptive EQ. That's something that's going to be on at all times, and what it's basically doing is listening to your environment, basically listening to what you can hear and adjusting the EQ depending on what's going on around you. It's some weird Apple magic tricks, but once you turn the volume up, you can definitely hear it, and it sounds pretty good. Another thing that's different with the AirPods 3 is no more tapping, no more taking the AirPod out and tapping into play, pause, answer a call, no. So you actually click it, but it's actually not a real button. It's kind of comparable to like the MacBooks and like when the iPhones have Force Touch. It's not a real button, but you squeeze it and it gives you like a little bit of feedback, basically like pressing a real button. Now I've been using these headphones for a few days, and you get used to it. It's pretty cool. Do I like it better? I feel like you make less mistakes with the AirPods 3 compared to the 2 because you're actually squeezing it, so I guess that's pretty cool. But it's one of those features that is cool to have. You probably make less mistakes because you actually have to squeeze it compared to tapping it. I know I've accidentally maybe skipped a song or maybe paused the song instead of skipping it or whatever. I feel like you're gonna make less mistakes with it. The AirPods 3 are also IPX4 rated, so basically sweat, maybe drops of rain, it shouldn't affect your AirPods. Now, all the previous generation of AirPods have not been any type of waterproof or dustproof or anything. These are the first like non-pro AirPods that have some type of rating. So sweat, it should be fine. Rain should be fine. Just no like serious water. I'm finna jump in the pool with them. They probably gonna break. The last thing I'm gonna talk about is the battery. Now, it's not a huge jump, but you get a few extra hours, maybe like 6 hours without charging with just the AirPods, and another like 24 to 30 hours if you charge it with the case. So, I mean, you should be good for a few days. I've charged these AirPods once and I haven't charged them yet. I've had them for about 3-4 days. So I think it's worth the upgrade, especially if y'all had y'all 2s for a while. They're a good birthday gift, Christmas gift, whatever. I really don't think you will be disappointed with the AirPods, especially if you rely on them basically every day like me. I use my 2nd gen basically every day. So if you use your AirPods every day and you consider making that upgrade, you won't be disappointed. All right, so that's it. Short and sweet. AirPods 3. I think it's worth it. They're good. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure y'all leave comments. Stay active. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out.